The entire crypto market, which includes Dogecoin and Bitcoin, is still in the red. So, what really is the situation right now, and where do we see Dogecoin go from here? In this video, we'll look at all this and some more Dogecoin news. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, Dogecoin is trading sideways right now. Many investors are selling because they are sick of trading sideways. Because of the absence of volatility, many people are selling Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies at this level. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which are created by media houses, are also still very much in the market. They still continue to criticize cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. While all this is happening, there is still some good news which is helping to balance the market. As we saw on Sunday morning, we aren't just going down. We did see a little bit of an uptick. But we've seen those upticks before, and they're usually followed by a red candle that drops the price back down. And we're all disappointed because we think, okay, now's the time it'll take off. But it doesn't. Now, let's take a look at Dogecoin price for a minute. As you can see, it's trading at 21.3 cents. Now, if we zoom out, we can see that Dogecoin fell all the way to 19.5 cents last week, implying that 19.5 cents is the new support level. Looking at Bitcoin, we can see that it is more volatile. There was some selling yesterday, which caused the dip to $33,800. So we're keeping an eye on Dogecoin as well as Bitcoin because the latter's price action has had some correlation with Dogecoin's price in the past. Now, even though there is still a lot of uncertainty in the crypto industry and no big catalysts, I still think that Dogecoin isn't going away anytime soon. There is some positive news, and here is a post on how the new Dogecoin upgrade is going to bring huge improvements to Doge. Much of the Dogecoin's growth will be driven by low transaction costs, low dust limits, and a lower chance of transaction malleability. The developers of Dogecoin are hard at work on a variety of enhancements. At present, 2 updates are being developed. One of them is to incorporate features similar to those seen in Bitcoin. This fixes a bunch of issues while also expanding the chain's potential. The second one will have a reduced transaction cost, lowering the average transaction fee by almost 100 times. The fees are already rather low, but this further decreases them. Now, this is also excellent news for Dogecoin. So, personally, I'm more positive about Dogecoin in the short term. I do expect it will trade sideways for a while before we see a surge as investors are trying to figure out what is going on. Another story from the Economic Times says that you need to be cautious of your enthusiasm for Elon Musk and Dogecoin because it could land you in serious trouble. This is about the scammers creating domain registration for crypto coins and exchanges. It says that in the last 3 months, there have been 35 times more domain registrations for Dogecoin than Ethereum. Now, the great part about this is that it suggests that Dogecoin is even more popular than Ethereum, since these scammers always follow the money. But still, we have to be careful of these scammers. You'll also see them in the comment section of all of my videos, as well as from other financial YouTubers. In the comments, there are many clones of Crypto Fire, and they are continuously responding to comments by offering you their WhatsApp number. Do not contact them. What you could do is simply report the reply to your comment as spam. The official replies from Crypto Fire have a black oval with the name in it, so you can identify when I'm answering and when they're replying. Their replies are explicit, and they typically use words like pinned by Crypto Fire, responded by Crypto Fire, and so on. These are almost certainly bots from another country, and I hope you don't get taken in by anyone involved in this. Another thing we have to think about is TikTok. It says that paid promotion for cryptos is now illegal on TikTok. There will be no more Dogecoin or meme coin promotions on TikTok. This is quite important because TikTok has become a rather widely used platform. It is used by young investors, maybe even more than Twitter, to acquire information. And it also has a large number of influencers. Some influencers are compensated to talk positively about specific cryptocurrencies. Now the thing is that many of the users on TikTok have little knowledge of the banking industry and are simply seeking to make a quick profit. And some of them end up believing the ultra-positive comments made by these influencers. But the sad part is that these influencers almost never back up their positive claims with proof. You probably would have come across some influencer who said something on the lines of, "Buy into this and you'll make a lot of money." Now, unfortunately, people pay close attention to messages like this. That happens all the time when influencers promote various stocks and even cryptocurrencies and others fall for it. You can't stop them from doing that. But what you can do is do your own research before investing anything into crypto. So I see why TikTok would want to tighten up on it in order to protect many of its members. Now, what does this mean for Dogecoin? We have to keep in mind that the TikTok members are retail investors who are potential buyers of Dogecoin. So I feel this could have some impact on Dogecoin's price in the long term. But I'm still happy that new holders will be more compelled to do proper research before investing. Now, coming back to the topic of today's video, let's talk about the probable next move for the market. Right now, it's tough to say what will happen because everyone is simply waiting for the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to unlock. Also, unlike the stock market, where people wait for earnings reports, cryptocurrency trades in a different way. I believe there is far more manipulation in the crypto markets than in the stock market, and that manipulation may be driving Dogecoin down. And this is what's shaking out the paper hands. People that are impatient aren't waiting and they're getting out of the market. They're sick of the low trade volume and seeing Dogecoin trade sideways, and they're ready to sell. That makes perfect sense to me. I understand that some people are frustrated and waiting for trading to restart and for Dogecoin to return to where they bought it. But the fact is that if they sell right now, they will lose money. In my opinion, in a situation like this, holding is the best way to gain money. I'm not saying you should hold, since I'm not a financial advisor, and you should take my comments with a grain of salt. But that's what we've seen as the right strategy to make profits with crypto. It is tough to apply, but we have seen that longer-term holders are more profitable. Now, there are many people who truly believe that Dogecoin will eventually reach a value of $1 or more. As I've said in previous videos, there are several triggers that could take Dogecoin price to that level. There are catalysts like Tesla, Robinhood, and SpaceX. And I think there will be more catalysts coming out that'll push Dogecoin to its previous all-time highs. No one can know what those catalysts are yet, but I think we'll see them come out eventually. In any case, I'll keep you posted about the latest Dogecoin updates on this channel. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.